Hello witches, it's the Willow Tree again. Yeah, this is a willow tree. See? I just decided to do a video outside. Such a lovely day. I'm standing by the stream. I still haven't got my house quite cleaned out yet. We're still trying to get stuff situated and fixed, but we're getting there. I just love, oh, there's a willow leaf in my hair. I just love standing out here by the stream in nature. It is quite beautiful and magical. You know what they say. A witch's church is the earth. And right now, I am loving this willow. Yes, I am going to continue my spell videos, but first I have to get the house cleaned up and ready to do my workings in. Basically, this video is a update. Wait till cars pass. Yeah, I just wanted to give an update. My spell series is still on the way, in the works. But I just have to wait to get the house cleaned up. Yes, I'm still going to, give you all that domination control spell to get the house of your dreams. But I just thought I'd come out and show you the beautiful willows. And also what I am going to do in the next couple months, or maybe even next year. It's just whenever we get around to doing it, is plant a weeping willow. Those are my favorite trees. But this is just a water willow. So anyway, I got my hair cut because it was getting damaged, and to avoid another car, to avoid getting it all ruined, I had to cut it. Do you guys like it? I think it makes me look Egyptian. Please forgive me if I'm zoning out into nature. Isn't it just beautiful? And there's a brush pile that we need to burn. Once again, forgive me if I'm zoning out. Oh, and we do have a barn. See? This Halloween, I'm going to, get a lot of Halloween decorations and just rock this place out on Halloween decor. Oh, here's a good spot that you can see the stream of water. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and I've also got some wild peppermint growing in the stream somewhere. Well, not in the stream, on the bank of the stream. If I can find it, I'll put it on camera. Wild pepper. Sorry guys, my camera cut out. So I guess I'll see you all in the next video. Bye and blessed be.